So, in this apartments.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to list a property for rent here on apartments.com. Now, on the main screen, go to the top right where it says Add a Property. Press on that, and it will redirect you to a page where you can add details for your property. For instance, if you have a condo or an apartment, you can press on Apartment. Then type in the address. You can choose whatever you want. Below that, you can enter the total number of units in the building. Whether it's a single unit or multiple units, you can choose whatever you want. Once your details are added, press Add a Property to proceed with the listing. Very simple, very straightforward. This is how to list a property for rent here on apartments.com. Listing online increases exposure, attracts more potential tenants, provides flexible marketing options, allows virtual tours, highlights nearby amenities, supports competitive analysis, simplifies tenant communication, and streamlines management processes. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.